Depression is the most common cause of suicidal death. There are a lot of people giving up on life and losing faith in God and humanity. They are in pain and do not know how to escape. Anxieties, fear, rejection, grief, abuse, and other traumatic experiences have taken their joy. Now is the time to heal. You're not really alone, even if you feel alone. Discover how to overcome obstacles, find your purpose, and heal from trauma. In my new release best-selling book, You're Not Really Alone, available on Amazon. Get your copy.